Alright, Clinton Battles, this is Kaylee Anderson, obviously, and this is your surprise YouTube video that you did not know that was coming, and surprise, happy birthday, this is your first present, and don't worry, your good present's still on its way, but this is just the pseudo happy birthday Clinton video. So anyways, I just got done writing your song, and it's like 3 minutes after 12, so I'm really sorry. It's not like in actuality, like technically your birthday, but I don't really like technical people, so we're just gonna forget about that. And I'm hoping that you're still awake even though you're a grandpa and you enjoy 20 hours of sleep every night. I'm assuming you're still awake because it's your birthday. So, okay, well I just got done writing your song, and I might forget some stuff, so I'm sorry. But I will do my best just because you're 19 now, and I do my best for 19-year-olds. So, okay, and I put my capo upside down because I know you like that for some odd reason. And I also wrote in your favorite key, ×2, because it's also in the key of E. And then it's the special, yeah, this thing. So everything, this is definitely the Clinton Battles song. Okay, so here you go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday song, and I hope you enjoy it, and I also hope your birthday was awesome, and yeah, I hope 19, you know, it's a good age, you should like it, and now that I've thoroughly embarrassed myself, I will cut this off. So happy birthday, Clinton, see you later.